Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Venmo and transfer it to another wallet. To start, open the Venmo app and go to the Crypto tab, which is the third tab from the left. Here, you can choose from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. While this isn't financial advice, I personally stick to Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you're new to cryptocurrency, you can also scroll down for resources about blockchain, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. To buy Bitcoin, select it from the list and tap Buy. Keep in mind that Venmo charges a 50-cent fee for crypto purchases. For this demo, I'll buy $10 worth of Bitcoin, although alternatives like Cash App or Coinbase might have lower fees. After entering $10, tap Review to confirm the order details and then Buy Bitcoin to complete the purchase. You'll see a confirmation message that says, "You bought $10 of BTC. Celebrate with a crypto sticker." I'll skip the sticker and tap Not Now, so we can move on to reviewing the transaction details. At the time of this purchase, Bitcoin's price is $39,127, up 0.5% in the past 24 hours and 1% over the past week, showing mostly sideways movement. For this transaction, I received 0.0002543 BTC, valued at $9.95 after the fees, meaning I'm down 55 cents immediately due to the transaction cost. You can check all order details in the Recent Transactions section. It's worth mentioning that Venmo doesn't allow you to send or receive Bitcoin directly, making it more of a custodial account rather than a true crypto wallet. Additionally, selling Bitcoin on Venmo requires you to confirm your tax information. Now, let's move to the process of sending Bitcoin to another wallet. Start by selecting the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, in this case, Bitcoin. Navigate to the Crypto tab in your Venmo app, then locate and tap the transfer arrows icon in the bottom right corner. From there, select Send. Enter the recipient's information next. If you're sending Bitcoin to another Venmo user, you can simply input their username. For transfers to PayPal users or external wallets, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address or use the Scan a Crypto Address QR code option to scan it directly. Once the recipient's details are entered, input the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Venmo will calculate any applicable fees for the transaction automatically. Carefully review all the transaction details before sending. Since crypto transfers cannot be cancelled or reversed, it's crucial to double-check that the recipient's information is accurate. Any mistake could result in the permanent loss of funds. When everything looks correct, tap Send to complete the transfer. If needed, you can always review your past transactions in the Crypto tab's feed. And that's how you can buy Bitcoin on Venmo and transfer it to another wallet.